locks are acting a little stiff right now, but they're not stiff.
If I back it up, is it fat enough?
Ayy, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it, ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy, ayy, look.
Give a back shot to a back hurt, back shot. Throwing through the money till my hands hurt, cash.
Welcome to my channel, y'all. Today I'm gonna show you how I did these goddess yarn locks. Like, look at this. Like, you cannot tell me this is not fire. Like, I can't wait to do this in another color, because girl, what? It's summertime, so I gotta go color crazy. Let's jump straight into this video. So this is the yarn I'm using. It's by Red Heart. I always use this yarn when I do my yarn locks. This is the curly hair that's on the ends. It's by LULU TRESS. It's in the curl Bohemian curl. I would have got a looser curl for the ends because the looser curls be looking better, but it's whatever. I found this in my hair bag, so we had to just go with it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut these real short because I'm gonna add in this curly hair. To do this whole style, I use this one jumbo size yarn, and I use 2 packs of this curly hair. So like, you're not gonna need like much to do this hairstyle. So I'm gonna just unbraid this a little bit and then add the curly hair into the ends. This was definitely a hair transformation because I was wearing these blonde box braids for like a week, and then I decided to do these black goddess locks. I don't recommend you having blonde box braids under your black locks though. I added in this the little curl on the end. You can use as many strands as you want to wrap your hair. I like to use 3 strands, and the more strands you use, the thicker your dread will be, or your lock. So I cut 3 strands to wrap with, and like I said, the more strands you use, the thicker your dread will be. To start my lock, I like to hold this piece on the root, and then I just wrap it to the right. I guess it just depends on if you're right-handed or left-handed, but I always wrap my locks to the, no, that's to the left. To the left, yeah. You don't want to wrap it around your root too many times. I just wrap it like 3 or 4 times. And then I just start wrapping down, especially on your edges, because if it's too tight on your edges, you ain't gonna have no edges when you take them out. When you're wrapping your lock, make sure the strands of the yarn is real flat, because if it's not, it'll just start to bulk up and look like thick for no reason. So just make sure the strands are flat and they close together. Oh, sheesh. Okay, so once I get to the end of my dread, I like to take the yarn and wrap it back up. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, so I like to take it and wrap it back up. And now I'm gonna tie like 3 knots, 3 or 4 knots, so that it doesn't come loose. In one of my videos, somebody asked me to show them like the knots on the end of my locks, like how I knot them on the end. So I take it like you tie a shoe, like a shoelace, and you take it, tie it, and then I go through it again and make a knot. And I just do that like 3 times. Once I'm done making a knot, I just cut the extra strand off. That's how it looks. I don't know if y'all will be able to see the knots because the dread is black, but that's how it looks once I cut off everything. Oh shit. This hairstyle is so damn complicated. Well, it's not complicated, but it just takes so much time and like effort. If you lazy, then I don't know. No, but I'm lazy and I still did it, so I don't know. But it just takes a lot of time. But you see my scissors? Damn, them hoes flew out my hand. Oh. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing to this next braid. So I'm gonna take my curly hair that I already cut. I'm gonna take this braid just a little bit so I can add this curl at the bottom. It would be so cute if I had 2 blonde dreads in the front with the curls on the end, wouldn't it? That'd be fire. Now that I got my curly hair added to the ends, I should add more. No, that's good enough. I'm going to add my yarn. Well, cut my yarn, I mean. I cut 3 strands of yarn. Hold it at the root. I'm gonna wrap it around like 1, 2, 3, 4, well, I guess I wrap it around like 5 times, yeah, because 5. And then now I'm gonna wrap down.
So when you're creating your lock and you wrapping the hair or yarn around your braid, just make sure that your thumb is keeping those strands flat so that it comes out looking like a perfect lock.
So now that I'm at the end of the dread, I'm gonna tie it like I'm just, you know, tying a regular knot. Kind of like in a shoelace. What the fuck? Kind of like in a shoelace. Or you can burn the ends, but I don't like to burn the ends because when you burn the ends of anything, it just starts sticking together. I don't know why the hell these 2 dreads came out super short. I don't know what the fuck. I guess, I don't know. But it's okay. It'll look cute once I put down. Hold on. Let me put down the rest of them to see how this gonna look. Because these came out extra short. I don't know. Yeah, it'd be all right. Yeah. I'm happy as fuck that I'm on the last one because it's so, this hairstyle is so cute, but like it really do take time. I don't know if it's because I'm just lazy and I take like a million breaks, but this hairstyle takes some time. I think it's because I just got too many dreads in my head. Like, my parts are real small, I guess, so. I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. Take loose the ends and then add in the curl on the end and start wrapping it. Where's the scissors? My hair is so fucking tight. I need to spray some water in my scalp because, okay, so now that I'm done with my hair, I need to go ahead and trim some of these curls. I feel like I have too much curls going on, so I'm gonna trim it down a little bit and I'm gonna do it by sections so that like I don't cut off too much. So I'm gonna start off with this back section. So starting off with this bottom section, I'm gonna trim off a little bit of the curls because like I said, I don't want too much curls going on. I just don't think that's cute. So, oh, actually this is too much. Let me put some of this back. All right, I feel like I should use a razor for this, but I'm gonna just use my scissors. I'm gonna trim it going downwards so that it's not like a blunt cut. It's just like, you know, I was going for like a layered look, so the top is kind of shorter. I don't know if I achieved that layered look. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but I'm just trimming this off in like an angle so that it's not a blunt. I don't want a blunt cut. I just want it to be trimmed down. Okay, so now I'm gonna trim some of this off. I don't feel like I need to trim that much on this side, but I'm gonna still trim it a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna move to this middle section. So now I'm at like the middle section. And do y'all see all this curl? Like, it's just so unnecessary. So yeah, we taking some of this off. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and put my hair up into a half up, half down with these 2 little pieces in the front. My locks are acting a little stiff right now, but they're not. Why they doing that? But I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. Hopefully you learn how to do your own hair, girl, so you can save you some coins. If you enjoy videos like this, subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.